You guys, this is our new room view. Is this not redonkulous? Oh my word! It's crazy, but even more crazy than this is the room. Let me show you guys. It's unbelievable. Here's our new room. When you walk in to the left, there's a built-in here. And then look at that view. Oh my gosh. To the right is the kitchen. It's a little bigger than the one in our normal room. Here is a Murphy bed. The dining room seats 8. It has access to the balcony there. I'll take you into one of the bedrooms. One of my sons already had taken a little nap on his bed. But it has 2 queens, beautiful views, and they have a slider here, access to the balcony. TV area, a desk area. They'll appreciate that. Beautiful artwork everywhere. And I'm going to tilt you guys up to the ceiling because it's pretty spectacular. They have it backlit at night. Really pretty. Now there's 3 bathrooms in this room, and this is the first one. There's this whole thing here is closet area. It has 2 sinks and a shower and jacuzzi tub. Isn't that amazing? And there's a sunlight up there on top. Crazy. And this is the kids' room. Can't wait to see my room. Wow. I'm gonna go look at this view. Truly amazing. There's the sand. It's a private beach. There's pools everywhere. Everywhere. Coming back to the dining room, they have a living room here. And desk area. Ken's putting stuff away in one of the closets. There's closets everywhere. This is like a little TV room. And I think there's another bathroom over here. Mr. D, you want to say hey? Hey. Excuse me, don't show your underwear on on YouTube, please. Let's see. Where's the light switch? Where's the switch, boo? Oh, I found it. Well, this is nice as a third bathroom. It has a shower. It's a 3/4 bathroom and has a sink. This is great, especially if you have extra people, you know, having that third bathroom. It's nice. It's not just a powder bathroom. It's nice. It has the shower. So here's our room. Wow. The view is just breathtaking. Big king bed. And this has access to the balcony here to the right. And then it has a private balcony. So we can eat breakfast in the morning or sunbathe. It's kind of nice to have that space, you know, adult space. Has a TV. And then this is the master bathroom. It has a shower, 1 sink, and a jacuzzi tub, and there's a window there. I guess if you're daring, you could take in the views. Just saying. So let me show you the big balcony. Hope I'm not making you guys dizzy. Oh, Ken is just one fact about Ken. The minute he gets into a room, he puts all his stuff away. Doesn't matter if we're there for 1 night or a week. This is nice size. Wow. Pacific Ocean. I showed you guys the Sea of Cortez on the other side of the property in yesterday's video, or the last video. I'm not sure when I'm going to post this. Tons of pools. Now, see that archway over here? That leads to the lobby. Then up on the ridge is where the condos are. That's where the owners usually stay, up there. This is a hotel portion of the property, but since we had 2 of the master suites up there on the ridge, they asked us if we wouldn't mind giving them up because they're having a big party up there tonight, and they had people on a wait list, and they said they would upgrade us to this room. So we were like, yeah, you know, we haven't stayed down here on this side of the property before, and we thought it would be fun. Now up on the hill over here, up there, that's called the Pettiground. That's a private community. Sylvester Stallone has a home up there, and all kinds of movie stars and singers and stuff. Like, that's where they all stay. When you see those pictures of the movie stars, Jennifer Aniston and all them people coming to Cabo, they stay right there. And this property is pretty exclusive. There's 3 hotels. They have the Finisterra, which was the first hotel ever in Cabo. This one here is the Playa Grande, and next door is the Grand Sol. And these properties here and those homes up there have access to this private beach. So it's pretty exclusive when it comes to the Cabo area. So that's the tour, you guys.